As far as pending bills is concerned, be it industries or be it household, be it NOP, MECL is trying its best to recover back those outstanding at the earliest possible. So that is the ongoing process where we are doing it. It is not just that RTI report says that way. We need to also understand, okay, maybe 44 crores outstanding is there, but from the government side, from the corporation side, what we do is we keep following it up every month. Because these people who fail to pay, they have to also pay the penalty. So the more they delay, the more they have to pay the penalty. So we have, we have walked out the system and we have told them, pay as early as possible. We are doing this. This is the ongoing process where the corporation is doing. That's what I'm telling you. I think if you go back, I think the year 2018-19, there was one special scheme done by MECL. One-time settlement. One-time settlement means if you come, suppose if your bill spending maybe 10 crores or 20 crores, then one-time settlement where we waive, not the bill, we waive the penalty clause. We waive the penalty. So the basic outstanding where we have to get means we are getting. Except the penalty, then that's what we call it one-time settlement.
So will you go for a one-time settlement?
No, that is ended already. No more one-time settlement, because one time means one time, only one time. So that has been done already. So there is no more one-time settlement at all. They need to pay, and when they pay, they have to pay with penalty.